School attention, stand at ease. Attention, close your eyes, join your hands. Prayer. Dear God, to thee, do I pray. Make me, good thing, who can play. You me, dear God, that I like, that I may always to the right. Let me never do any wrong. Make me, dear God, to be strong. Bless my father and my mother, my sister and my brother, and also my good teacher. Help me, dear God, at home and school. Help me, dear God, to keep to the road. தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து. I request you, ma'am, to ask the flag.
National salute. Order.
Flag song.
Bye.
அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரே தாயின் மணி கொடிவாரே. Pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of it.
And I am proud of it.
Rich and variated.
Variated.
I shall always.
I shall always.
Stay to be.
Stay to be.
Worthy of it.
Worthy of it.
I shall give my parents.
I shall give my parents.
Teachers.
Teachers.
And all letters.
And all letters.
Respect.
Respect.
And treat everyone.
And treat everyone.
With courtesy.
With courtesy.
To my country.
To my country.
And my people.
And my people.
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their belief.
In their belief.
Prosperity alone.
Prosperity alone.
Lies my happiness.
Lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Standard is திருக்குறள்.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். திருக்குறள். ஆசிரியர் திருவள்ளுவர். வேண்டுதல் வேண்டாமை இலானடி சேர்ந்தார்க்கு யாண்டும் இடும்பை இல. பொருள். விருப்பம் வெறுப்பம் இல்லாத கடவுளின் திருவடிகளை பொருத்தி நினைக்கின்றவர்களுக்கு எப்பொழுதும் எவ்விடத்திலும் துன்பம் இல்லை. நன்றி.
Thought. Good morning to all. Today's thought. Believe in yourself and you will achieve great things. Thank you. Have a wonderful Monday. GK question. Good morning to all. Today's GK question. What is the chemical formula for water?
Answer H2O.
Today is celebrated as World Water Day.
Answer 22 March.
What is the largest ocean on the earth?
Answer Pacific Ocean.
What is the full form of news?
Answer North, East, West, South.
Thank you. Speech. Good morning to all. Today's speech, I will share about the save water. Water is the basic need of our life. There is no water without life. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. Trees, plants also need water. Water is essential for every living thing on earth. Water is the source of our life. So we all must save water and do the Savior. Thank you. Have a wonderful Monday. English news. Good morning to all. Today's news. National news. A standing committee has submitted a report in Parliament stating that the quality of the Yamuna River water is poor. World news. Technical glitch in rocket. Sunita Williams has another problem returning to Earth. Sports news. Sudiman Cup Badminton. India has made it to the D group. Thank you so much. Tongue twister.
Good morning to all. Today I share some tongue twisters with you. Give Papa a proper cup of coffee in a copper coffee cup. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some butter to make the bitter butter better. Big fat cat sat on the rat. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Teacher speech.
Respected correspondent sir, principal sir, and my dear teachers, my dear students, good morning to one and all present here. I would like to share one small story. A student named Maria was struggling her studies. She was on the verge of giving up, feeling like she just wasn't smart enough. One day, her teacher asked her to help with a class project. She built a bridge with everyday material. Maria was hesitant, but she gave it a try. She worked hard, experimented with different designs. She facing a lot of failures and problems. And finally, she built a strong and steady bridge. When she presented her project to the class, she received a standing ovation. Maria's teacher said, Maria, you may struggle with your book, but you are genius with your hand. Don't give up. You have a unique talent and perspective to be offered. Maria was very happy because she found her hidden talent. My dear students, don't let anyone tell you that you are not smart enough or good enough. You each have a unique talent, unique voice, and unique perspective. Don't be afraid to try a new thing, to experiment, and to learn from your mistakes. First, believe in yourself. Remember Maria, who thought she just wasn't smart enough, but she turned back to be genius in her own way. You are all genius in your own way only. Believe in yourself, work hard, and definitely success will be yours. And finally, I conclude my thought with my mother tongue. அனைவருக்கும் ஒரே மாதிரியான திறமைகள் இருப்பது கிடையாது. அனைவருக்கும் ஒரே மாதிரியான திறமைகள் இருப்பது கிடையாது. ஆனால் அனைவருக்கும் ஒரு திறமை கட்டாயம் இருக்கும். Thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity and thank you everyone.
Attention, national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He